Study the reactions and interactions between atoms, compounds, and ions. Embark on an exciting journey with the Bachelor of Science Honours or Honours with Research in Chemistry program at Chandigarh University. Nurture your academic and professional growth with our industry-oriented curriculum. Learn and innovate in the dynamic spaces of our state-of-the-art labs. Ensure accuracy in analysis, synthesis and research in our chemistry instrumentation lab, and prepare for advanced research and industry applications with automated workstations, environmental chambers. Broaden your horizons through our extensive international collaborations. Gain profound insights from top industry experts and professors of practice, shaping your knowledge in the field of chemistry. Build a strong foundation in atoms and molecules and follow the path of our successful alumni in diverse, impactful careers. Ready to explore the domain of chemistry? Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.